Want to earn more without wrecking your schedule or mental health? In 2025, side hustles are smarter, more flexible, and more profitable than ever, if you choose the right one. Here's how to do it without burning out. Choose skill-based gigs. Focus on what you already know. Freelance writing, graphic design, coding, tutoring. These scale better and pay more than generic gigs. Go remote and flexible. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer flexible hours and remote work. Great for building income without quitting your job. Start micro side hustles. Print on demand. Affiliate marketing or digital downloads can earn passive income with low startup effort. Ideal for evenings and weekends. Set time boundaries. Limit hustle time to 5-10 hours a week. Use timers and plan around your peak energy hours so you stay productive without burnout. Track time versus reward. If a hustle takes too much time for little return, pivot. Your time is your most valuable asset. Spend it where the ROI is real. Automate and delegate. Use tools for scheduling, invoicing, or content creation to streamline your hustle and avoid overwhelm. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.